Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And looking at our weather pattern, you can see that we are looking at ridging here across the Gulf of Mexico. And just to the north of that, we have this southwesterly flow, which is taking shape, already producing a little bit of rain off to our north and west. We will see this ridge break down just a touch. A little disturbance here across the southwestern sections of the country will move into the Midwest. And that's going to set the stage for a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Very low-end chance of rain tomorrow that will increase for Wednesday night, and Thursday. And then we could see another round as we look ahead to late Friday. As far as the severe weather risk, again, not too concerned about tomorrow. It looks like most of the activity should be north and west of the area and parts of northeast Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, far northwestern Arkansas, extending back well to our west into Texas. And then Wednesday, you can see that does shift a bit more to the south and east, where we will see an increasing chance for some strong, possibly severe thunderstorms with wind, probably the biggest concern for late Wednesday and Wednesday evening. We'll talk about timing here in a second. Meantime, let's talk temperatures, and we are in for a rather warm night tonight for this time of year. Instead of mid to upper 50s, which is normal, we'll see lows tonight in the upper 60s, 68 degrees in both Shreveport as well as in Texarkana for your Tuesday morning low temperature. Tomorrow's highs will be in the low to middle 80s. You can see the 84 in Minden, 84 in Shreveport, and 82 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Texarkana. Let's talk timing as far as the thunderstorms. Again, Robin started Futurecast showing you a mostly cloudy sky as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. We'll see some decent breaks this evening, but the low clouds will only fill right back in later on tonight. Tomorrow looking mostly cloudy. Again, not much, as you can see here, as far as rain during the day tomorrow, as we'll see a little bit of sunshine mixing in with the clouds during the afternoon, very similar to what we've experienced today. Pretty much all of the thunderstorm activities you can see here will be well to our north and west, pretty much where that enhanced and slight risk area is currently located by the Storm Prediction Center. Now, as we go through tomorrow, Tuesday night, we will see again most of the shower and thunderstorms staying off to our north. And then Wednesday, notice showers and thunderstorms developing over Texas. That is the activity that will move into the region late Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours. This will pose a wind threat, some hail possible, and can't totally rule out an isolated tornado, but it does look like wind will be the biggest concern with this activity. And then longer range, to give you a look at a longer range version of Futurecast. Now, this does vary from some of the other longer range models in that it really doesn't show a whole lot as far as intensity Wednesday night into Thursday. Other models do show a bit more in terms of rainfall for the Arklatex here heading through Thursday. And then going through Thursday night, we'll see the rain decrease, and we will see more rain possible here for Friday. It's show you the waves of disturbances moving through the middle of the country. Again, here's that impulse that I mentioned for late Wednesday night into Thursday. That moves on out, and here comes another wave right there that could affect us for late Friday night. That second one for the end of the work week, still up in the air obviously this far out, but we'll have to keep an eye on Wednesday evening, Wednesday night for our biggest threat as far as stronger thunderstorms. You can see heading through the weekend into next week, we'll see another chance, another disturbance moving into the western sections of the country for early next week. That'll give us another shot for some showers and thunderstorms here heading into Monday of next week. Now, if you add all these disturbances up and all the rainfall that they produce, you can see models in the longer range showing that generally speaking, many folks could see a month's worth of rain here during the course of the next week, especially southwest Arkansas, northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma, 3 to over 5 inches possible there. Further to the south and east, rainfall totals in that 1 to 3 inch range. And of course, if we were to get this amount of rain in that particular part of the area, it would greatly impact the levels of especially the Red Rivers. So we'll be watching those area lakes and rivers very closely during the course of the next week or two after this rain does make its way across the region. So all that said, 7-day forecast showing you that tomorrow, again, partly to mostly cloudy, 84, 85 Wednesday. Thunderstorms Wednesday in the afternoon. That's when we will probably see our highest severe weather threat here of the couple that we have coming through. Some models do indicate more decent storms possible Thursday, another round possible late Friday night, and then we'll have to keep an eye on the first part of next week as we could see the rain increase once again for Monday of next week. You see daytime highs when the rain is most widespread, upper 70s. When it's a bit more scattered, low to middle 80s. Overnight lows in the week ahead will stay in the mid to upper 60s. As far as Texarkana, you're looking at a good shot for showers and thunderstorms too, especially for Wednesday, Thursday. That will decrease heading into the last half of the weekend, but rain likely will increase by the middle part of next week in Texarkana as well. So it looks like a very active weather pattern shaping up here for the Arklatex, a very wet weather pattern with rainfall totals across parts of the Arklatex possibly exceeding 5 inches during the course of the next week.